BMW Motorrad. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 stands out with its self-balancing design, which eliminates the need for a kickstand. It also features a visor that projects information such as speed, navigation, and road conditions onto the road's field of vision, allowing for a seamless and intuitive riding experience. Yamaha OI. Yamaha Motor OI, on the other hand, focuses on artificial intelligence as its main attraction. It uses advanced AI technologies to enhance the rider's experience and safety. The motorcycle features chrome battery cells and a haptic human-machine interface, providing a truly futuristic aesthetic. Lazarus LMV. The Lazarus LMV 496 takes innovation to new heights by transforming into a flying vehicle. This unique motorcycle has the ability to sprout wings and take the skies, offering a whole new level of freedom and excitement. Kawasaki J. The Kawasaki J concept offers a unique and versatile riding experience. Its three-wheel design allowing for stability and maneuverability, while its ability to transport in various riding positions ensures adaptability to different terrains and riding styles. It is reminiscent of a Star Trek prop, adding an extra touch of futuristic style. Neutron. The Neutron bike takes an inspiration from the movie Tron, offering a visually striking and futuristic design. With its sleek and minimalistic appearance, it captures the essence of cutting-edge technology and modern aesthetics. It also boasts street-legal capabilities, making it a practical choice for those seeking a futuristic ride. BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha showcases sleek and advanced design features. Its rolling chassis, center hub pivot, and bell crank steering system contribute a smooth and stable ride. This motorcycle emphasizes both style and performance, offering an exhilarating and futuristic experience on the road. BMW Motorrad. The BMW Motorrad Concept Link redefines urban mobility with its innovative features. It incorporates a touch-sensitive display panel for easy navigation and control, and is powered by an electric motor. Providing eco-friendly and efficient transportation, its energy packs can be easily swapped out, ensuring convenience and flexibility. Under Riding Assist. The Riding Assist focuses on reliving stress associated with driving in heavy traffic. It utilizes innovative self-balancing technology which helps maintain stability and control, allowing riders to enjoy a comfortable and stress-free riding experience. This technology also enhances safety as it reduces the risk of accidents caused by loss of balance. Full Moon. The Full Moon motorcycle stands out with its distinct 30-inch front wheel, giving it a unique and attention-grabbing appearance. Powered by an SNS Knucklehead 1524cc engine, it offers a powerful and thrilling ride combining style and performance. Tomahawk. The Dodge Tomahawk is a concept vehicle that pushes the boundaries of design and performance. It features a striking and unconventional appearance, powered by a 500 horsepower 8.3-liter V10 SRT10 engine. Although it is not street legal, it showcases the possibilities of futuristic motorcycle design and engineering.